Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we have something special for all you photography and videography enthusiasts out there. The Sony FE 24-50mm f2.8G lens. Let's dive right into it. The Sony FE 24-50mm f2.8G lens is designed specifically for Sony's full-frame mirrorless cameras. Now, what makes this lens stand out is its unique focal range and compact design. Unlike traditional 24-70mm zoom lenses, this one sacrifices the telephoto reach to maintain a smaller and lighter form factor. First off, let's talk about the design. The lens is incredibly lightweight, making it a perfect match for Sony's more compact mirrorless cameras. It feels sturdy in hand, with a dust and moisture-resistant build, ideal for outdoor shooting. Now, onto performance. The Sony FE 24-50mm f2.8G lens delivers superb sharpness, even at its widest aperture of f2.8. Whether you're shooting photos or videos, this lens performs admirably, thanks to its fast and quiet autofocus system. Optically, this lens is top-notch. Chromatic aberration is virtually absent, and flare is well controlled even when shooting towards the light. The 11-blade aperture produces pleasing bokeh, although there's a noticeable cat's eye effect towards the corners of the frame. One interesting quirk of this lens is its zoom mechanism. Unlike most lenses where you extend the barrel to zoom in, with the FE 24-50mm f2.8G, the barrel retracts when zooming in, which might take some getting used to. 2.8G lens? If you're a content creator who values versatility and portability, its compact size, excellent optical performance, and versatile focal range make it a compelling choice for both photo and video enthusiasts. That wraps up our review of the Sony FE 24-50mm f2.8G lens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!